Hello everyone, my name is Matas and I'm here for ae-plus.com, and today I'm going to give you a quick tip how to animate table using delay expression and only 5 keyframes. Let's look how our final result look like. Cool. As we are in After Effects, you can see that I've already imported the necessary files from project folder, and I've converted all the layers to 3D ones because it's essential for our project, and I've already arranged them in right order. The top one in a viewport is the bottom one in a comp view, and vice versa. The bottom in a viewport is the top one in a comp view, and depending on your project you should do the same thing. I've also adjusted anchor points for each layer, because anchor point is our rotation point, and it is as it is known, it is yeah. So the only one effect we are going to use is a slider control. Let's drag a slider control to a bottom layer and just rename to ROT as for rotation, and add another slider control, just rename it to OPC as for opacity. And then we need to rename this bottom layer to control and change its color to whatever you like, but I just chose a yellow. Okay, and then we need to animate an opacity and rotation. Just click X and stopwatch opacity, and then animate minus 25 degrees, and it rotates towards us, and then click 0 because it rotates from to the 0 state, and the first keyframe is going to be 90 degrees because it rotates from us. Okay, opacity to 0, and then here 200%. It's a bit awkward. Let's try to drag one more time. Yeah, just adjust a smoother look. Not bad, maybe it's too long, but just you can tweak it a bit. Yeah, cool. Will be alright. Now we need to add two expressions. One is for opacity and another one is for rotation. It's probably that both expressions are probably the same. The values differs, but yeah, that it is what we are going to do. So click T on your keyboard, I'll click on a stopwatch, then write an expression: point value at time minus x, and x refers to time value in which it's going to be offset. Then we need to add a couple more words at the beginning of this expression. It is this comp dot layer index plus 1, and it refers to, it follows the layer below and its opacity. Okay, just click enter and then add one more line. It's opacity OPC as it is in slider control, and just drag a pick whip to OPC slider and do the same thing by highlighting X and then drawing to OPC. Yeah, you see? Okay, cool. But we just need to edit value to 1 because it is going to be our maximum value. Yeah, and as now you can see, it is offset in time. The same thing we are going to do with a rotation. Then alt click X rotation, point value at time minus X, and then add a couple more words, the same it was in opacity expression. This comp point layer index +1 point. Okay, and then add a line rot equal, and it refers to rotation delay slider, and drag a pick whip to rotation slider. Yeah, and then do the same thing with the X value, and then drag and pick whip to rotation slider. Yeah, it does the same thing. Then edit value, do the same thing, click 1 and then 0.16. Yep, now it's offset in time. And what we need to do is to animate to copy the expression of X rotation to each layer on top. So click R, just make a viewport a bit bigger. Alt click on each stopwatch and then paste the expression. Cool. As for rotation, it is done, and then click, select all the layers, click T, it opens opacity, and then copy opacity expression, I'll click, and then paste the same expression to every layer on top. Yep, it should now work. Cool. Just select all the layers, click U. Yeah, and as now you can see, it animates all the layers. You have now a smooth transition with only 5 keyframes. Okay then, it was nice to talk with you guys, and have a great time. See you later.